County, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. At 2:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shoemakersville, 10 miles north of Reading, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include the National Weather Service in Mount Olive, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Eastern Pennsylvania, central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, 61. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 38 and 59. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for eastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room.